Addition and subtraction. Addition. To add two or more large numbers, keep the following points in mind. 1. Arrange the numbers in their respective columns. 2. Add the digits in each column and carry over when required. 3. Continue the process until all the addition is done. Example. Add 63,65,267 and 14,37,643. Solution. Here, 63,65,267 and 14,37,643 are add-ins, while 78,02,910 is the sum. Properties of addition. Following are the properties of addition. 1. Numbers can be added in any order. For example, 261 plus 1049 equals 1310 and 1049 plus 261 equals 1310. 2. When we add 1 to a number, we get its successor. For example, 5367 plus 1 equals 5368. 3. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. For example, 1029 plus 0 equals 1029. 4. The sum of 3 or more numbers remains same, even when we change the grouping of the numbers. For example, 200 plus 305 plus 26 is equal to 505 plus 26 equals 531 and 200 plus 305 plus 26 is equal to 200 plus 331 equals 531. Subtraction. When we subtract two large numbers, we follow the given steps. 1. Arrange the numbers in their respective columns. 2. Starting from ones, keep subtracting column-wise while borrowing from the next column to the left wherever required. Example, subtract 1384,258 from 4840,365. Solution. Here, 4840,365 is minuend, 1384,258 is subtrahend and 3456,107 is the difference. Properties of subtraction. Following are the properties of subtraction. 1. When we subtract a number from itself, then the difference is always 0. For example, 45,697 to 45,697 is equal to 0. 2. When 1 is subtracted from a number, then the difference is the predecessor. For example, 45,697 to 1 is equal to 45696. 3. When 0 is subtracted from a number, then the difference is the number itself. For example, 2,67,493 to 2,67,493 is equal to 0. Few shortcuts. Addition. Changing one of the add-ins to the multiples of 10 and 100 makes addition easier. For example, 44 plus 25 equals 69, but this can be made easier by changing 44 to 40, then 25 will also change to 29. That is, 40 plus 29 equals 69. Subtraction. Changing subtrahend to the multiples of 10 and 100 makes subtraction easier. For example, 57 to 25 is equal to 32, but this can be made easier by changing 57 to 60 and 25 will be increased to 28. That is, 60 to 28 is equal to 32. This is an easier way to subtract.